If you've been looking at new construction in the Cincinnati area, but you want some great amenities nearby, you want trails, you want parks, you want woods, you want rivers, then guys, I'm so excited to show you this neighborhood. It's Trailhead up in Harrison, Ohio. Today we're looking at Fischer Homes and everything that this new neighborhood has to offer. Can't wait to show you. Sztanyo, welcome back to the channel. My name's Eric from Team Sztanyo.com. Super excited to show you this neighborhood. I've been talking about it on the channel, on YouTube Live forever. I haven't been up here yet. It's really beautiful. You kind of sit down in this valley. There's hills around you, wooded hills. Up here in Harrison, there's kind of farmland all around. And so you're right on the edge between being close to the city. You're still probably 35 minutes to the city down I-74. But you've got this great environment around you here with trees and parks and trails. And if you want to get on the river, you can get on the river. Lots of fun things to do. We're going to tell you all about it. So excited to show you around Fischer Homes here, Trailhead, Harrison, Ohio. Let's do it.
Welcome to Trailhead in Harrison, Ohio, where you can find new homes from $362,000 to $769,000. Enjoy modern living with Fischer Homes' Maple Street collection and their designer collection, now available in the enchanting Trailhead community of Harrison, Ohio. Elevate your lifestyle amidst the scenic beauty of this brand new neighborhood where your dream home may be awaiting you right now. So for amenities, they're not built yet, but there are plenty of exciting planned amenities coming to this neighborhood. Dive into relaxation at the sparkling pool, perfect for sun-soaked afternoons. Host unforgettable gatherings at the elegant pavilion, a centerpiece for community events. In addition, Trailhead has lush landscaping, tree-lined streets, serene natural surroundings. It creates really a picturesque retreat that you will love to call home. Trailhead is located off of Edgewood Road with easy access to Interstate 74 and I-275. Recreation and entertainment options can be enjoyed nearby at Miami Whitewater Forest with direct access to park, trail, and amenities, Campbell Lakes Preserve, Simmons Family Dog Park, and Circling Hills Golf Course. Trailhead is in the Southwest Local School District, which includes Crosby Elementary, Harrison Junior School, and William Henry Harrison High School. Now, one thing that's great about this community is you have the designer and Maple Street collection to choose from, and that includes over 20 different floor plans. So in the designer collection, you can go for two-story homes such as the Blair, Grandin, the Charles, which is the floor plan for their model in the community, the Avery, Wyatt, Keaton, and the Miles. And if you're looking for one-story living, you can choose from the Magnolia, the Springfield, and the Calvin. Now, some more affordable options are the Maple Street collection, which are in the $300,000 and $400,000s. The two-story options include the Breckenridge, Jensen, Fairfax, Cumberland, Yosemite, and the Wesley. And the one-story homes include the Charlotte, Beacon, Preston, and the Da Vinci.
All right, well, welcome back, friend of the channel,
Yes.
Kaylin Lee from Fischer Homes.
Yes, thanks for having me.
Thanks for being here. Kaylin, tell us about where we're at and a little bit about this community.
Yeah, so we are standing here in our Trailhead community. It's our newer development. This model just opened this past week. So we're in Harrison, Ohio, very close to Miami Whitewater Forest. In this neighborhood, you're gonna see a lot of beautiful home sites. So a lot of tree lines, there's some natural ponds throughout the neighborhood, along with those amenities that you love with this type of neighborhood. You'll have the pool, the pavilion, all of those community amenities. Not only that, you have a direct access to the Miami Whitewater Forest and Park.
So it's aptly named Trailhead because there are trails everywhere around here, right? And now I think you even said the trails connect directly into the forest?
Yes, they do. The majority of the trails in here are tree lined, so you'll get a beautiful walk there and then have fun at the park.
So if you're someone who wants to be active, who wants to be outside, who wants to enjoy nature and just being outside and being active, this is a great spot for you because there's a lot of space here and it's just beautiful around here. We took those drone shots, which I'm sure my editor is putting on here right now, but you're kind of in this valley. There's beautiful natural farmland all around. It's just really, really pretty.
There's no bad view in here. It's a very peaceful neighborhood.
Yep. Tell me a little bit about the collections that are in here. You have both designer and Maple Street?
So we are building two different styles of single family homes. Price point wise, they're gonna be in the mid 300s to low 500s. So there's something for everyone. Not only that, but our different incentives that we run. Right now, for example, we're doing Home Site of the Month. You can have separate design dollars to put towards any upgrades you wanna add in your home, separate from the financing incentive, and then we'll throw in something special to personalize it to you in your home.
And we were just looking at the maps of the lots that are available. Right now, a lot of them back up up to a pond or have great views. Now those tend to go quicker.
Yes, they do.
But there still are a lot available.
There are. And we have some lots that you can build on, again, with those beautiful views, or we even have some move-in ready options. So I know right now we have 3 that are completed. Whenever you're watching this, there'll most likely be one for you as well. So.
Okay, so in this neighborhood, there is Fischer Homes. There's also Drees Homes, and you were telling me it's kind of like every other lot.
Yeah.
So someone shopping here is probably shopping both of you.
Yes, yes.
Maybe tell me a little bit what distinguishes Fischer Homes against Drees. I know you guys are both the 2 largest builders in the area. You both build a really good product, but what's something maybe unique or special to Fischer Homes?
Yeah, so something that's really cool that we just rolled out that actually only Fischer Homes as of right now is the only builder that utilizes this tool is in your homeowner's portal, which is something specific to every single home. You have it through the lifetime of your Fischer home. But in there, along with all of your homeowner guides, all the materials that we use to build your home is what we call builder back. So say in the future you decide that you want to add a deck or you want to do some type of DIY to your home. You can actually go in this builder back tool, search it up, upload some inspo pictures, and it'll automatically show you some vetted out contractors through Fischer Homes that can give you quotes and schedule that DIY project for you.
Very cool. I like that.
Makes it a lot easier for you.
Yeah, and well, we all know when building a home, it can be a hassle. There's a lot of decisions to make, so having tools like that, very, very helpful.
Yes.
Well, Kaylin, thank you again so much for your time. Appreciate it as always.
Thank you.
All right, guys, so some great options here. I love the fact that there's a lot of product to choose from the designer collection down to the Maple Street, so whatever your price point is, you can get in with a different product. I will say this neighborhood and the views around here do feel a little bit different. When you're looking at Cincinnati and Northern Kentucky, in Northern Kentucky you have a lot of hills. Here in Cincinnati, especially on kind of the northwest side, you get some flatter farmland like you see around here, but you're in this river valley, so you've got these hills in the distance here for the views and the forest, but if you want a flat yard, Ohio might be a great place for you to go. All right, wanted to walk into this house to show you guys the views of the pond here. And right on the other side from this house is where they'll be putting in the pool and amenities. One other thing I wanted to touch on before leaving this video, I'm sure you've heard a lot of things about the NAR settlement and having to sign a buyer representation agreement. I wanna let you guys know how that impacts you if you're going on the new construction side. So if you're thinking about building and you wanna work with a builder, but you also wanna work with a real estate agent, I actually highly recommend that because the builders, they're still paying that 3% commission to the real estate agent. So right now, you have to go to the agent first, have a meeting with them, sign that buyer representation agreement, then you can go to the builder. As long as you sign that agreement first, the builders are gonna honor that. The builders are gonna pay the buyer broker, the buyer agent's commission. So in the end of the day, it doesn't cost you really anything extra out of pocket. You will then be able to work with the builder and with the agent. And as you're building a new home, look, a lot of things go right, everything's brand new and that's really nice, but some things don't go right all the time. It's really nice to have an agent on your side, walking you through the process and being there for you if needed, if things go wrong and you need to kind of work with the builder to work those things out. So if you are interested in new construction, whether it's here at Trailhead in Harrison, Ohio, or anywhere else in the Cincinnati or Northern Kentucky area, reach out to our team first. We would love to be your real estate team of choice, and we would love to leverage the relationships we have with the local builders to help you get the best deal and have the best experience throughout your new build process. Sztanyo, thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hoo day, and we'll see you in the next one.